What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe down below. Today's video is going to be doing the oil change on the transfer case. So right here I got the ACDelco Auto-Trak II transfer case fluid. There is the number. I got it off Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. It calls for 2 quarts of the whole thing. And I am going to be using this pump, which I got off Amazon. I'll link everything down below too, and the torque specs for everything I'm doing. So I got a 2-pack for $3 more, $7, and $3 more came out to get the extra one. So might as well just do it. So 2 quarts, ACDelco, the pump, and you need those, and also a torque wrench and an 18mm. So my torque wrench right there, and an 18mm to take off the bolts. Let's check it out on the bottom. So driver's side door, straight under is the transfer case. And then there you are. There it is. So you have your fill and then your drain. So I took the fill off already. Well, not off, loosened it. And then I'm gonna loosen up this one right here. So then we can see how it looks. So let me point the camera up in a good angle, hopefully. So here's the bolt. It's not focusing in, sorry guys. Put that to the side. Okay, that should be enough. So I can hand loosen. Let that drain for a bit. All right. Put the drain one back in so we can start filling. I've never used one of these, so I can understand the concept. So this goes onto here, and the side, and then this goes into the car. So I don't want to get this dirty, and then place it on something clean. Okay, let's set this up. Hopefully it's a good angle. Look at that. Wow. Okay. One. Stop it. I wasn't ready for that. There it is. I torqued them back down. I used one whole one, and then I started gushing out of the second one. So I closed it up as soon as I could, but almost full of 2, almost 2. But pretty sweet. Let's get back up. hat on, my dirty hat. Turn the camera around. Alright guys, so the lens is dirty, but that's how you do the transfer case, the ACDelco Trak II. I put everything, I'll link everything down in the description, but that took 10 minutes. Legit took me 10 minutes. This video should be 10 minutes. It says 12 minutes on this right now, so 10 minutes just to get everything ready and get it under there and then loosen. Just say 15 total. It says 12 right here. So add the time that I took to get this stuff off. Yeah, 15 minutes. So not that bad. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.